Hi guys. Oh my gosh, this is like really, really crazy. So I have some ranch down over here. We're just gonna get into this video. Five Guys French fries, all reheated. Mmm. Mmm. Now with a Popeye. Ooh, very hot and steamy. Oh my gosh, but this is how we like it, hot and steamy, yay. All right, so this here is still my sauces. These here are, The holidays are here and 2020 has been rough, so I'm gonna make you a personalized 8-minute long video on Cameo. Treat yourself or surprise someone else. It makes a great Christmas present. Link below. Sweet heat, barbecue. We got some ranch over here. We got some tacos over here. And we're just gonna freaking eat. Oh my god, this looks so good. Look at the cheese pulls. Ooh, I love cheese. Dun-dun. Mmm. How are you today? Oh my god, that's so good. Mmm. Mmm. Oh. Mmm. Chicken. Oh my god. Oh. Mmm. Mm-mm-mm. This is so good. Mm. 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 Five Guys burger right here. Look at that cheeseburger, you guys. Wow. Popeyes chicken sandwich over here. Ooh, hot and steamy still. Let that steam off. This chicken is so crunchy and good. Mmm. Have you ever had Popeye? I love Popeye. Popeye is the best. Popeye makes their it's so good. It's so good. Can I just eat? Can I be a human being and just eat for a minute? I've lost 3 times for you, but first I just want to eat. It's so greasy. And refrying the fries is great. Mmm. Mmm. Mm. Over here, I have, we got more French fries. We got more French fries. Popeyes. Oh, hi, baby.
Did you make a thumbnail yet?
No, I'm gonna do it now. How you go, everybody? I'm gonna put, this is the Popeyes chicken sandwich. Ooh, it's still so hot. I'm gonna pour some ranch on here. On my new Walmart shirt.
Yep, it is.
It's on my new Walmart shirt.
At least it's on a Target shirt.
Yes, no Targets. Ah. Ooh. Fresh out the fryer. Oh no. Oh no. Thank you. Oh, you can go, baby. Thank you. Excuse me. How are we today? This Popeyes chicken sandwich is so good. I'm like manic right now. Ooh.
This holiday season, come treat yourself and join my Patreon. You'll get tons of mukbangs and other content not allowed on YouTube. It makes a great Christmas present. Must be age 18 or older. Link below.
Oh. How are you today? This is what the French fries came in. These are Five Guys at the bottom and Popeyes at the top. This here is creamy ranch. Creamy ranch. This video is so good. Oh. Let's do another, oh, this is still really hot. The Five Guys burger is really hot, so we're gonna do another Taco Bell taco. Taco Bell taco. It's so good, the cheese just like got stuck. Oh yeah, look at all that cheese pull. Ooh. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Taco Bell sauce, here we go, up in here. Ooh, fire, that's a good choice, Nick, good choice. I just let my hand decide. Wrap it on up. So good. Popeyes chicken sandwich. Oh, so good. I don't know. Why is Popeye so good? So we've done Taco Bell. We've done Five Guys. We've done the Five Guys fries. Five Guys fries. Got some drinks. Now we gotta try this Five Guys burger. It should be cooled down enough now. It was so hot. Ooh. That tastes better than the Popeyes chicken sandwich. Thank you, Five Guys, for a great burger. You know, last time I had this, I complained about being doughy. When you cool it off in the fridge and then reheat it with a moist paper towel for a steam, you basically get some of that dryness out. This tastes amazing. Like, if they served this to me at I mean, it tastes better than how I got it when I first got it. Okay. The Popeyes French fries reheat a lot better than the Five Guys. The Five Guys ones I air fried. I feel like they should be in the microwaves with some steam. They're very dry. Very, very dry. Whereas the Popeyes ones, they were also air fried. And they taste basically how I first had them. Five Guys, however, they taste way worse. I'm actually in love with this cheeseburger. Like, it doesn't even need ranch, but we're just gonna top it off with a little bit. Oh! That is the best tasting cheeseburger I've had in forever. It tastes better than when I had it yesterday. Something about letting it chill and then reheat with steam. It just tastes so, it's like creamy. Might be the way I cooked it. That makes it better. There's like something that went down my throat. I'm so sorry. Oh my god. Thank you. Come again. We are not okay. Let's put some Popeyes French fries in here. Because they're so greasy and like crispy. And wrap it back up. Oh my god, this is gonna be interesting. No. No. Takes away from the taco. Napkin. 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 Oh. Got a napkin. So freaking good. Got a napkin. And these French fries. They are so good. Good in the hood. That's how it should. I'm misunderstood. I did the best I could. In the hood. In the hood. Because I know what's good and what I should be doing is the toot 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 in the toilet bowl. There we go, that's my song. I don't know what's happening to me. Ooh. I only want dark meat. Here we go. Wood, good. I feel like I've reached a new limit. It's 4 in the morning. Everyone hates me. The neighbors are calling the popo. I'm like exhausted. This is so good. No, I can't stop. I am disgusting. You don't even have to tell me. Oh, I know, honey, I know. I know, honey. I wonder if she ever got a job. Do you ever wonder if she ever got a job? I wonder. And I wonder if she got a job. Oh, she was so lazy. And she walked so slow. It would take her like 5 minutes to walk across campus. Did you get a job? I highly doubt it. Not for walking fast. No, you didn't. That's one pet peeve of mine with my friends. I will drop a friend if they don't keep up with my speed when I walk. You know, I'm 5'11". You know, if you're 4'11", we just can't be friends. I'm just sorry. Because I can't walk with you anywhere. I have to wait and wait and wait some more. 8 times 8 is 60. Four. It's your fault. Excuse me. This is a great combo, actually. How do I enjoy some food tonight? All this food that my subscribers think that I'm wasting. Excuse me. I don't waste food ever. I always eat it off camera, but I'm like, I said, maybe I should film it for you, you know. And I'm like, Five Guys, Popeyes, Taco Bell. Seems like an odd combo. Nope, it's good. It's good. There's a little mouse squeak in my teeth. Ooh. Mouse. Pat and then try. Oh, hi. I'm sorry, the Five Guys fries. I fried them in the air fryer. Maybe they would begin like right up, but no. Yeah, because now these Popeyes ones are starting to taste bad. This is why I don't like french fries. I'm always saying I don't even like french fries. And it's true because usually you have to eat them right away or they get horrible. That's the problem. They get room temperature and they turn to plastic potatoes. Excuse me. I feel like there's food in my lungs. I don't know what to do. What do I do? Orlin, are you there? Orlin, Borlin, Snorlin, Potato Head. Hello? Orlin. 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 Orlin.
What? What's wrong now? Did you tell yourself?
Not yet. Hopefully in these new sheets. Hey.
Merry Christmas, everyone, and a big thank you to my patrons for supporting these videos, and a huge thank you to my executive producers, Jodi and Jamie Babycado. If you'd like to become a producer for Christmas and help support my channels, or if you just want to join the community to see what else I'm posting, come on over to my Patreon by clicking the link down below. You must be age 18 or older. And for something even more personal, gift yourself an 8-minute long personalized video just for you. Or book a video for someone and surprise them this holiday season. It makes a great Christmas present. We can also DM each other and chat one-on-one. So if you want to watch even more content from me, come follow my Patreon. But if you want a personalized video or just want to talk, come over to my Cameo. Patreon and Cameo are both linked down below. Thank you so much. Merry Christmas. Bye.